how to hide RAS for some contacts on your WhatsApp. What you need to do is just click the WhatsApp icon on your phone, then click the three dotted icon in the upper right hand of your WhatsApp, scroll and click the setting option, then click the privacy option on your WhatsApp, then move to who can see my personal information and click the RAS and online status. Then move who can see my RAS, click my contact except option, and now choose the contact which you don't want them to see your RAS on WhatsApp. You can choose them randomly, and after updating the option and clicking the contact which you want to exempt from seeing your RAS on WhatsApp, you can click OK. And after doing that, you have exempted 7 contacts from seeing your RAS on your WhatsApp, and you can see 7 contacts excluded, and that is it. And that is how you can exclude some contact from seeing your RAS on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to give the video a thumb up, and also giving it a subscription and also a comment trying to tell me if the method works to you or not. Thank you.